Okay, today we are going to do a tutorial on how to use Doodle for scheduling. First, of course, you go to the site, the Doodle site. You can either do the start a 14-day free trial. You can actually sign up to be a member of Doodle. That way has some costs associated with it, but they do have a free version. So you don't have to do either one of these. You can just go to create a doodle. Okay, so what's the occasion? Enter the title of the meeting. Safety meeting. Okay. The location, well, you have all these options. Phone, Skype, online, Zoom. Do a Skype meeting. Okay, you can write a note there to let the staff know what the meeting is going to address. Okay, then you push continue. Next is giving everybody options, different date options. It's showing the week right now. Go to the month view and back to the week. You can see the difference there. Okay. We are going to add some dates. So let's say that we can do it the 12th, the 13th, or the 16th. Add times. Up here it says same time for all dates, same times for all dates. And we can make it so that each day has a different time, or you can keep it this way. So let's start with adding in a time. Let's make it a lunch meeting. Well, no, because we're Skyping. Okay, let's make it a pre-lunch meeting. So we will do a 10 a.m. It's not that long of a meeting. It's just going to be a half hour. 10:30 a.m. Okay, so right now it's same times for all dates. Let's go ahead and do the need different times. So now they're addressing the March 13th date. Push add more times. On this date, we can also do a 2 p.m. to 2:30. Look how they just added that 2:30 right away because they figured since you have a half hour here, you're going to need a half hour here. Okay, and then Monday, let's go with a back-to-back. We're going to do, oops, no, let me do that maybe. Yeah, there we go. 11:30 a.m., 11:45, 11. And there it added that half hour. So after this, you've got your dates, you've got your times. You need to select a time zone that you're in. And Los Angeles is the same time zone that I am in. I'm not literally in Los Angeles, but we're just going to leave it at that. And then push continue. Okay, step 3 of 4 is poll settings. Now, yes, no, if need be. Participants can indicate if an option is not ideal for them. So that means they can check a box for yes, they can make it. They can check, leave it blank if they can't, or they can have a third option of like a maybe. Limit the number of votes per option. Limit participants to a single vote. Hidden poll, so other participants can't see each other who's joining. I'm going to go ahead and say that I want one-on-one Skyping. So I'm going to limit participants to a single vote. That means only one person can sign up for each time slot. And you've got some options here with premium if you wanted to upgrade your account. Okay, continue. Okay, tell your participants who you are. Well, I'm the boss. They should know who I am. Let's go with Sarah. And then the email address would go here. And we're going to push finish. Okay. So here is what you are going to send to your participants, your employees, whoever, whatever group you're sending this sign-up sheet for. You can you can send a link to people just by copying the link. You can select emails, and you can add emails into it and send it via email. And when they get it, this is me. When they get it, they will see my times that I'm available. And you can see on the 12th there's one time period. The 13th has two time periods. That's why it shows the 13th twice. Same with the 16th. When I send this to other people, they will receive, it will look like this, but there'll be another box down here. And they can sign their name in and pick which one they want to join in. And obviously, since my setting was only one person per slot, if the next person picks this one will show as not available for the next person who's going to sign up. And then you'd push send. So that is how you use Doodle. And I hope that you understood it all. And if you didn't, you can email me. We can maybe schedule a time through Doodle to get together one-on-one. Have a great day.